Are you finding that you are getting a huge gut? Are you finding that you are not, gentlemen, not performing the way you once did before? Okay? Well, that might be your eating habits. Let's talk about how to make some great food for yourself to go. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Butts, a doctor of dental surgery and owner of Camp Creek Dental right here in Atlanta, Georgia. My goal is to give you the tools you need to optimize your health so you can take control of your own well-being. Okay. Today, we're going to dive into the importance of having a meal plan, because maintaining a day-to-day of what we need to put in our bodies, which actually represent the fuel that we're giving ourselves in order to do all the activities that we need to do, this is super duper important, okay? So, you know that high pressure jobs can have some demanding schedules. So imagine this. It's Monday morning. You rush into work after a chaotic weekend. You grab a cup of coffee and a sugary pastry, maybe even just a bagel, right? On your way out the door. By mid-morning, your energy absolutely crashes. You need another cup of coffee, and you find yourself looking for another sugary snack, all right? So how about this scenario? You work long shifts on a physical job like nursing or construction, where you're constantly on your feet. You're moving all the time. At lunch, it's easy because you're tempted to grab the fast food truck right outside the doors, right? But you know it'll leave you feeling sluggish for the rest of your shift. These scenarios are super common, and they highlight a crucial issue, which is, without a plan, it's easy to fall into unhealthy eating patterns that can affect both your physical and mental well-being, all right? That's where a meal plan comes in. Having a structured approach to your meals not only helps you make healthier choices, but can also enhance your energy levels and focus and mood throughout the week, all right? We're gonna explore some things, some specific scenarios, all right? Now, as the office worker, you sit at a desk for hours, and when lunchtime rolls around, you find yourself unprepared. A meal plan that includes lean proteins, complex carbs, tailored to your blood type, can keep your energy steady. For example, if you're type A, you might benefit from a salad with some grilled chicken and a variety of vegetables. Now, everything that I say from this point on, my beautiful friends, are going to be foods that are organic. They have to be organic. It's going to cost more money, all right? It's going to be more expensive because that is what they're doing to us nowadays. That's what they're doing to us. It's okay. Spend the money, because investing in yourself now is going to cut hundreds of thousands of dollars of hospital costs later, right? A little quick tip about organic. If it's a fruit or a vegetable, the PLU number has to start with the number 9. If it starts with a number 3 or a number 4 and it's in the organic section, it is not organic, all right? So keep that in mind. Also, my A blood type people, and actually everyone, all right? If you're going to eat some chicken, make sure that it is free range, no antibiotics, fresh, clean, from a reputable source chicken, okay? It cannot be the cheapest chicken that they have, because those animals are raised in poor conditions. They're shot up with a bunch of antibiotics and grain. All of these things will have gluten in it, and they'll have the antibiotics that we do not need for ourselves, but they gave them to the chickens so that the chickens would be healthy on the way to our mouths, on our plates, all right? So keep these things in mind, all right? So here's another scenario, okay? You're a busy parent. You're juggling work and family responsibilities. Leaving a little time for yourself, planning meals in advance, can help you prepare a nutritious option that everyone can enjoy. Consider making a quinoa stir fry with a seasonal vegetable and your family's favorite proteins, aligned with your blood type for optimal health, okay? How about this? For my coworkers, right? Healthcare professionals. We are on our feet all day long. Running between patients, it's essential to have a snack, right? But the snack can be almonds, apple slices, beef jerky, all right? Especially if you're an O blood type, which thrives on protein-rich snacks to keep our energy up without the crash, all right? Now, what if you're a service industry worker? Long shifts can make it tough to find time to eat. A meal plan that includes easy-to-pack meals, like a whole grain wrap with turkey and vegetables, can help you stay fueled and focused throughout the day, all right? Now, you can make this happen even with your busy schedule. And here's some strategies. Plan ahead. You want to dedicate some time each week to plan your meals. Look at your calendar and see where you can fit in meal prep time. If Sunday is your free day, use it to cook for the week ahead. Make a grocery list. Once you've planned your meals, create a grocery list. Stick to whole foods that align with your blood type, like lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats, while absolutely avoiding processed items. And remember, everything organic, right? The best way to do it, I have found, is to do batch cooking. So you prepare meals in large quantities, like making a big pot of brown rice or quinoa, roast a variety of vegetables and grilled chicken or fish. Divide them into glass containers for easy grab-and-go meals, all right? Smart snacks. Now, if you want a snack, if snacking is your thing, that's okay. Keep healthy snacks on hand. If you're in the office, consider things like hummus, a carrot stick, or a handful of walnuts. If you're on the go, try fruit or a hard-boiled egg for a quick energy boost, all right? It's important to fuel your body properly, especially in high-pressure situations, okay? You want to focus on lean proteins. Choose options that fit your blood type, such as turkey for A or fish for type B. Type B, my type B people, please, you are on the no chicken list. If you have any kinds of struggles with any kind of health care, chronic something, and you find that you are a chicken eating person, chicken in particular for my E blood type people, just stop eating chicken, all right? If you don't believe me, that's fine. I would say test it. Try what life would be like without chicken for a week, 2 weeks, a month. See if your energy goes up. See if you're able to sustain some things. See if that huge gut that you have starts going down. See if your blood pressure goes down, okay? And it's literally something as simple for you B blood types as stop eating chicken. Now, for your A blood types, let's eat some chicken, all right? Now, healthy fats. Avocados and nuts provide essential nutrients that keep you feeling full, especially beneficial for A blood types. Now, I do not eat avocados in a large quantity because it says on my list of foods to eat that, because I'm an O blood type, it says no avocados. Now, I've had this avocado story. I'm gonna tell you my avocado story, all right? So, before I found out about the blood type diet, if someone said eat avocados, I would say that sounds like a great idea. I love the texture, and I actually love the flavor. And if you say, man, you're getting healthy fats, dude, man, give me that avocado, right? I was so crazy about it. I'm such an extremist that I was going to grow avocados for myself, right? Okay. Now, in growing avocados, there's a way to do it. You can find it on the internet, no problem. It's very easy to grow avocados. Very easy, right? But I found that while I was growing the avocados in my living room, and it takes like 5 to 7 years to actually get fruit out of your avocado seed, okay? As I was growing it, every time I came home, my nose would start running like a faucet. My nose was like running away. I'd go to my bedroom, close the door, it would be all right. But when I'd open the door to go into my living room, ooh, runny nose again. I had no idea what was going on with me. But long story short, I found that I was actually allergic to avocados in that way. It's just what I have found. It says no avocados in the book, Eat Right for Your Type by Dr. Peter D'Adamo. That's what it says. In my experience, that's what I found. But it doesn't mean that I don't eat avocados at all. I will, but I just eat them in more limited amounts. All right, so that's a little one to grow on, okay? Now, complex carbs like whole grains and starchy vegetables offer lasting energy without spikes in blood sugar like sweet potatoes for type AB blood types. All right. Fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins and minerals. They support overall health and keep your immune system strong, okay? Now, sometimes you gotta just avoid certain foods. And I have said, and I have found for me, that the blood type diet offers at least a starting point for someone to have an idea of what they should and shouldn't do. Because if you don't know what your blood type is, you're just guessing anyway. But now, if you found out what your blood type is, you're not guessing, now you're testing. Test the theories, test yourself, see how you do on certain foods, and see how you do without certain foods. The way that you feel is going to be your best gain of what the data is saying to you. And if you're feeling better by doing those change things, I would say run with it. This is not anything that your doctor or even your nutritionist would say to you, because it's not in their paradigm of how they're trained. We are on the internet helping each other out. And let's say I'm wrong. I still say test it out for yourself, see for yourself, and then let your results give you the answers that you're looking for, because we're here on the internet together, all right? Processed foods. I feel like everybody should know this. Everyone should know this. Processed foods can lead to fatigue and weight gain. They are not suited for any blood type at all. Not one. Processed foods is a no. All the way around. Now, when you're younger, you can eat whatever. You can eat whatever you want all the time and really not have any bad problems or situations where you've gained high blood pressure. But if you continue to eat that way, you lose your youth more quickly, and then you will really see how not knowing can be very dangerous to your health, all right? Refined sugars. They can give you a quick boost, but they cause a crash later, all right? Oh, excessive caffeine. It can help temporarily, but too much can lead to anxiety and jitters. Now, you really want to try to get your caffeine not the first thing in the morning, not the first thing. Drink water with a little sea salt, Celtic salt, or even Himalayan pink sea salt in your water, just a dash of it. Drink water first in the morning, okay? If you really need to have your coffee, just wait about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes, then enjoy a cup of coffee, all right? If you start giving yourself that particular habit, you're going to gain other things, all right? We're not going to talk about all the other things you're going to get to gain now, but the things that you gain from just making that little change, when you see it, because you watched this video and you actually do it and you experience the benefits, please write me. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about what the changes you've made have done for you. Hopefully they've done good things, but if they do bad things, I want to hear about it also, all right? Here's the takeaway, guys. You gotta prioritize your health by creating a meal plan that fits your busy lifestyle and aligns with your blood type, according to me. According to me, all right? You still have to get proper sleep. You still have to exercise, and there's two kinds of exercise. You want to do cardio exercise and weightlifting exercise, okay? Which is called anaerobic exercise, all right? You absolutely have to have detoxification moments in the way of not eating sometimes, definitely going to the bathroom, bowel movement, and urinating, and sweating. All these things help get the toxins that we have to endure every day when we, from inside our house to outside our house, our body is like a filtration system. And we need to make sure that we know that this body is our vehicle for the soul to do all the things that God, Buddha, or whoever you believe in intended for us to do. We are all great. Let yourself be great, okay? With a little planning, you can ensure that you're eating nutritious meals that support your energy and overall being. Remember, whether you're an office worker, a busy parent, healthcare worker, or service worker, invest in your nutrition, and that's going to invest in your life, all right? Hey, if you want to know more about a delicious meal that's great for all blood types, watch this video right here.